Jyoti Punja and I'm the Chief Customer Officer for Cigna TTK Health Insurance. So in a country of 1.3 billion people, the underpenetration today is one of the highest amongst the, all the nations. So I think that is a very challenging situation for India. Another factor that we have to also look at is that we have out-of-pocket expenses again is one of the highest in the globe. Whilst in the recent past we have seen a lot of government push around health insurance reforms, and there is the national health schemes that are being launched, which again will increase our penetration. But at this point of time, I think one of the biggest challenges that the country faces is the under penetration of health insurance. One of the reasons I think for the underpenetration is the lack of awareness amongst the consumers about health insurance. Somewhere I think in the minds of the consumer, they are not able to understand this, that they have to pay money in advance for something which they see as an intangible benefit. Over a period of time, I think with government push, with the regulator push, and also with the industry doing its bit to increase awareness, I think there is an improvement, but we still have a long way to go. So the trends that I see, and if I talk about the standalone health insurance business in itself, it is outgrowing the other insurance lines of business, which means that the challenge of low awareness is, I think, somewhere it has started getting addressed. I think what I see is a lot more digitization, a lot more technology usage in terms of reaching out to customers, in terms of servicing customers. I see a lot of enablement of the sales force through digital tools, which in turn makes the process a lot more seamless for the customer as well. I also see usage of analytics in terms of understanding your portfolio, be it on the underwriting side or on claims, understanding the drivers of loss ratios. I think that usage of analytics is enabling insurance companies to really not just develop better products, but also give also address one of their needs, which is profitability. The challenges that I find is that today, because of the under-penetration, the need to reach out to customers is very high, correct? But at the same time, do we have enough avenues to reach out? Are we reaching out to enough consumers? So how do you build distribution is one of the things that I think is challenging. The other challenge is that there is an element of fraud risk which exists within the health insurance business. So again, that is something that I think we need to address. And as I said earlier, the usage of advanced analytics is something, and maybe the industry coming together to address this challenge is something that will help. The availability of access to the population, both in terms of health insurance as well as health care, I think is something that we need to address. Also, the quality of healthcare that is provided is something that we need to kind of work upon. So what Cigna does is and Cigna TTK does is that we believe that we want to be there for our customers, not just in illness, but also in wellness. So for us, right from the beginning, it is not about it is not just about paying the claims, but it is also about helping our customers lead a healthier life. So what we have done is that we have created a platform which is primarily focused on health and well-being, called as Proactive Living. And through this platform, what we do is we offer our customers solutions which are both online as well as offline. One of those such solutions which I would like to talk about, and I didn't touch upon the one of the challenges that this country faces, which is chronic conditions, right, like diabetes and hypertension. So one of the programs that we have is actually addressing this. So we have a program called as Health Coach, whereby we enroll our customers onto the program, and a health coach is assigned to the program. And through a period of a year, we work with the customer, and this includes setting up of goals along with the customer, and this could be on reduction of blood pressure, it could be control over blood sugar, it could be weight management, it could be activity management, and we also do diagnostics at regular intervals. And through this, we enable the customer to move towards a more healthy living and control the chronic condition that he or she is living with. This we have got very good response, and it has been, there has been some wonderful testimonials that we have received from customers. And so this is one of the health coach program, I think, is one of our most successful wellness programs. We also have an online solution wherein we offer our customers, and remember, this is all complimentary. What we do is that we offer our customers a health risk assessment, a targeted risk assessment, and then lifestyle management programs. And these lifestyle management programs are on stress, on sleep, on activity and nutrition. We reward our customers for any of these programs that a customer undertakes in the framework of proactive living. We actually reward our customers because we know that it is important to keep the motivation levels of the customer high. So this is one of the things that we do differently. Other than that, I think we are, if you look at our growth, be it in, we have outgrown the average in terms of where the standalone health insurance companies have grown last financial year at 41%, whereas our growth has been, this is on GWP, our growth has been at 59%. And also in terms of just annualized new business premium, that is new sales, we have grown at the rate of 80%. So because of the, like a combination of our product, our service, and the way the distribution is functioning, I think we've really been able to kind of get a growth which is better than the overall industry.